Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So we are done with demo number 1, demo number 2, demo number 3, and this is the next class. Since few people couldn't make the payments, we extended the same meeting ID with all people. We did not change the meeting ID, so it will be there for another 1 or 2 days. And utilize this time and get enrolled for this batch. If you lose this batch, we don't have any other batches in this month. So next batch will be on June 1st. You have to enroll in this batch. So we will give a couple of days time to enroll. So at least you make some amount and enroll in this batch. And if you're not able to join in this batch, this will get frozen. This will get frozen, and Telegram link and everything will get created. And after that, the new batch will be in month of June only. You don't have any more evening batches and no batches. Normally, we start only one batch per month. Clear, guys? So utilize this opportunity, and we are going to be extending the meeting ID, and we did not change the meeting ID, guys. Okay, so utilize this opportunity and make the payment and enroll in this batch. If you miss it, then it will be problem for you. Okay, so you will be able to get today's video, but from tomorrow, videos also will not come. Only the people who made the payment, they will be able to get the videos from tomorrow. Otherwise, you don't get the videos from tomorrow as well. So this is the final video, how to do the installation. Okay, so this video will be published freely. You can use this. But from tomorrow, people who are not making any payments, they don't get any videos as well. So remember that point. But you can attend 1 or 2 days, live classes. But after that, meeting ID also will change. Okay, so consult with my team. If you did not get the payment link, means you can write a mail to me or mail to my team, right? So my team is info@goonlinetrainings.com, or you can say, the goonline.madhav. So he is the operations head. You can also write to him saying that payment details you did not get it. Okay, goonline.madhav. Okay, @gmail.com. He is the in charge of payment, placements as well. So if you need any payments, any placements, okay, after the class, and you need to save this number. And if you need any issues with the payments and everything, you can call him, or you can WhatsApp him, or you can also call these numbers. Okay, if you don't get any communication, you will be able to get. But if you don't get any communication, then I am there. Go online Bhaskar. You can escalate, sir. I have called them multiple times, no response, means I will be able to take your call. Okay. So these are the important numbers. You please have it, and this is the mail ID. You please have it. Go online.madhav@gmail.com. Chalo, guys. Now, today we are going to be doing the installation of Power BI. And before that, I wanted to install SQL Server. So installations, we're going to be doing actually two installations. Okay, installations. One is called SQL Server installation. SQL Server, which version I told you, 2019, and how to install this. So this is the first one. Then we install Power BI. Clear? Power BI, you don't have any version number. Do you know why? Because Power BI software will be released every month, fresh version, right? So every month you will have a fresh version Power BI. So you don't have a version number. But the SQL Server, the latest version is SQL Server 2019. So next year or the coming year, they may add the other stuff. But as of now, 2019 version only, you should have it. So to install, what is that you need to have? I told you already, you have to have Windows 10 or later with the latest updates. Okay. So you need to update your Windows with the latest update. Compulsorily, you have to have MS Office to be installed in your laptop 2007 or any later versions. And minimum 2 GB of RAM is needed. I told you many times, and any processor can work. AMD processor i3, i4, i5, anything is fine, any processor. So I recommend I 128 GB of SSD, or if not, at least 500 or 400 GB of hard disk HDD. But I recommend this. This will be very fast. Even though this is not there, this is hard disk. This is not there. At least you buy a laptop with SSD, clear, which is very faster, which is a hard disk only. Now you go in for this. If you have 1 TB of hard disk, hard disk, that is also fine. But what is important? This is important. Minimum 128 GB SSD has to be there so that your laptop or desktop will be faster. So if you don't have this, then you can go in for only this. But you can also go in for this. It'll cost you some 1600 to 2000 rupees extra. Clear? Now, 2 GB is fine, but if you have a 4 GB of RAM, that will be good. Otherwise, 2 GB. You should have Windows 10 or 11. Don't ask me also, sir, I have a 9, what should I do? I told you, you need to go to nearest hardware shop, reformat your complete computer, install Windows 10 or Windows 11 only. I recommend you install this. Clear? So, or Windows 10, if you have it, you have to have the latest update. Clear? So these I cannot do it. I cannot help you. You have to go to the nearest hardware shop and get the computer ready either today or within a week's time. At least take 1 week time. Get everything ready. Clear? So these are the things now we have to install. So after everything is ready, we are going to be installing this. Okay. So now I'll show you in installation process. I'll show you what Nana installation process. So first SQL Server 2019, you need to download the software. I'm giving you a link. Okay, SQL Server 2019 and MSBA software, and there is a video also will be there. This video will tell you how to install it. So this is the URL I'm going to be giving. So I'm going to be copying, giving this URL in the chat window. You can also download. Okay. I'm giving you in the chat window. If you're not able to open the chat window, you can write me a mail. Sir, give me the URL in the mail, sir. I will be able to download it later. It will take a minimum 1 hour to download it. Okay. So, or 45 minutes it will take download. So what you have to say, you have to copy this URL, whatever I have sent it, that URL, you need to paste it where? So in the Chrome. So you have Chrome, right? So you have a Chrome. So double click on this and copy and paste that URL, press enter. Okay. So automatically, you will be able to get this software. What software it is? SQL Server 2019 software. Now, once you copy and paste this URL, now you will be doing a task called download first. Okay. So what is the task you have to do? You have to copy and paste. That is step number 1. This URL. Step number 1, copy and paste this URL in the Chrome. Step number 2, you have to download it to your computer. So how to download, I'll tell you. So you need to go. So first you need to open Chrome. Let me open Chrome once again. I'll be starting from fresh. Double click on this and copy this URL which I've given in the chat window. If you don't have the chat window now, you can also write me a mail so that I will be able to give you this URL in the mail. So you know my mail ID, right? So what is my mail ID? My mail ID is this. So go online.bhaskar or bhaskarjogi@gmail.com. You can use one of them and write and ask the question. Now this is the URL I copied and pasted. Now how to download? To download, you have to go to a triangle button. Have you seen the triangle button? Click on this. Now click on download. So what will happen when you click on download? Everything will get zipped. All these things will be zipped and it is going to be downloading. Clear? So everything will be zipped and it's going to be downloading. It will take a lot of time. I'm having 200 Mbps speed. It will take at least 10-20 minutes to download it. But for you, it will take a lot of time to download. You will get a zipped file like this. You will get what a zipped file. So everything will get download. So when you click on this, so download in the form of what none zipping, it will get zipped, and you will be able to get a zipped folder where in the downloads. Now if you go to downloads, you will be able to get a zipping like this. Now this is zipped format. So after zipping it, so you need to unzip it to get the data. The step number 3, what you have to do, step number 3, you must unzip it. Okay, so you must unzip the software which you have downloaded. So what software I'm installing now? SQL Server 2019 software I'm planning to install. I'm planning to download, but it is going to be zipping and you must unzip. So how to unzip? It is very, very simple. You can very easily unzip. So how to unzip? Right click. So now almost wait. I will, tell you. So everything is done. Every software is downloaded. All the software got downloaded. Now wait for just 1 minute. It will be downloaded. It is done. Now you close this. Now you see. Now you will be able to see in the downloads folder what is happening. So it's still happening. Oh, it is still it is able to download. Please wait. Okay. So let me cancel one. So one is getting downloaded. So either if you have a fast internet, everything you can download at one shot, or you right click on this, you can download. So one by one also you can download. This one you can download, then this one you can download, then you can right click on this and download. If you wanted to download one by one, you can also download like this. Clear? So how to download everything means you need to go and click on download. This is one option. Or you can download one by one, one by one, one by one. After that, you need to unzip it. How to unzip it is very, 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 very simple. You will be able to get this kind of a thing. You have to right click and you can say compressed, or you can say show more options. Okay, you can say extract files or extract here. So you have to right click on this. Now you need to say show more options. Now you go extract here. So everything will be unzipped. Everything will be unzipped. Now you will be able to get all these things clear. Now what you have to install? So after unzipping, what you need to install? As I told you, SQL Server software has SQL Server plus MSBI also is included in this. In this software only, both of them are included. SQL software, that is RDBMS software, is included, and MSBA software also is got included. So first we have to install SQL Server RDBMS, later MSBA. Clear? Now you must download. Now the next step number 4, how to install. How to install? You watch this video. What video? There is a video called this video. SQL Server software installation. It is a video. So there is no sound in this video only. You will be able to see the steps. No sound. You don't complain to me tomorrow, sir. No sound. There is no sound. Only step by step, step by step, step by step steps are there. You play this video and install it. So first you have to install what none SQL. So to install SQL, this is a software and this is a software. These two are the softwares, for the SQL. Clear? So you watch this video. In that they will be able to tell click on this or click on this. So this is what is you need to install. So this and this can be used to install this. You follow this video and you will be able to install. But remember, at the time of installing SQL, there are, three things you need to understand. One thing, so it will ask you, uh, it will show you a developer version. It will show you express version. Okay. And it will show you enterprise version. There are three versions are available. Developer version, express version, enterprise version. I don't recommend Express. It is very, very fast, but it is very, very dangerous. You don't install Express. Either you can go in for development or enterprise. I recommend only this. I also don't recommend developers. Clear? Enterprise evaluation copy. So 180 days, this software can work in your computer. 180 days means 6 months. After that, it will get will not work. So because it is a enterprise evaluation copy, evaluation means only 180 days. After that, you can reinstall once again. It will work for again 180 days. Remove the software after 6 months and install the enterprise version software only. You have to remember this. Developer and Express you must not install. That is one thing. Clear? And one more thing, it will ask you at the time of installation software, it will ask you what cube software I have to install. So there are two things. One is called multi-dimensional cube, and the second cube is called a tabular model cube. So there are two things will be available. So don't install multi-dimensional. Compulsorily, it will ask you what cube software I have to install. Tabular model cube. Remember, okay? So you have to choose enterprise version at the time of installing SQL Server. At the time of installing cube software, you have to have tabular. But in the video, my team people have captured multi-dimensional. It is a very old video, so don't worry. In the video, multi-dimensional is shown, but you must use what, Nana? Tabular model cube. That's it. So that you will be able to install this. Now, which video? So this is the video, you have to watch it. So what is SQL Server software? This and this is a SQL Server software. Clear? So this and this is what software? Both of them are SQL software only. Which version you need to install? Enterprise evaluation copy. Okay. Express and other stuff don't need. And cube. What cube you have to install? I told you tabular model cube. Okay. So tabular model cube you must install. That's it. So once SQL Server is installed, then you need to install MSBI. To install MSBI, we have this software is for MSBI. MSBI means what all will get installed? SSIS will get installed, and again SSAS will get installed, and SSRS and SSAS. I told you what version? Multi-dimensional. You should not install it. I told you tabular model. You should install it. Clear? So that is SSAS cube means. So when you install MSBI, MSBI software is SSDT software. You have to install this. And below that you have one more software, reporting services. After installing, we have to configure. So this is not needed because this reporting we are not going to use. We are going to be using a Power BI only. So your installation afterwards, we have to set up, we have to do the configuration. This video you need not download. This is not a video, this is a software. You need not download. We need not have the SSRS. But if you wanted to have, you can follow, but that is not needed. Clear? So instead of SSRS, we're going to be going for Power BI. Clear? So what are the softwares you have to install? I told you one software is called SQL Server. This and this. And this video you need to watch it. Step number 1. SQL. Step number 2. This is what is called MSBI. Okay? And this you don't need to do anything. Now that's it. Clear? So you have a few more things. This is one thing, this is one thing. that I will talk about later. So SQL Server MSB have to be installed with this. And if you get any issue, I will not be able to support you, because even though I go to the hardware shop and I'll ask them to install it, you go to the hardware shop with this software download, they will be able to help you to install it. If you ask me, I will not be able to help you because I am not a hardware guy, I am not a setup guy. Clear? So you have to go to the nearest hardware shop. If you're not able to install, if you follow these instructions, you can install it. But if you get any issue, what I strongly recommend, you try to do on your own. If not, go to nearest good hardware shop and ask them to install the software, so that they will be able to install in your laptop. That is the better thing. Even I bought this laptop, I have paid and installed it. I never installed on my own. I am not a hardware guy. I am not also expert. But in this team, any hardware guys are available, guys? Any hardware people who can do the installation and everything? Okay? Any hardware guys are available? Sir, can you send the link once again? I will be able to send this link again. If you don't get it, send me email so that I can also send this link in the email. Okay, na? You need to ask, sir, I'm from May batch. I need a SQL Server software. Clear? So that's it. Nothing else. If your nothing is working, where you need to go? You have to go to a nearest hardware shop and get it installed by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, whenever you get some time. We will have classes from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, anyhow free. You just go to hardware shop and get it done. Clear? Now, so if you need the software, you can also write a mail so that I can give it to you. Now, the next one, how to test this. Okay, I have installed, but after that, you unzip it and you follow the instructions which I have given. The next one is called, you install SQL and MSBI as per video. Okay, as per video. And I told you SQL Server which version? Only Enterprise. Enterprise eval version. Okay. So you need to install, and cube, I told you, you need to install what? Now cube means I'm talking about SSAS. You need to SSAS tabular model cube. That's it, nothing else. Now, step number 5, once you install it, you have to test SQL Server software. So how to test? Once everything is done, you have to test it. Now go to start, and you say SSMS. So go to start. This is the start button. I say SSMS. SQL Server Management Studio. Either click on this or click on this. Anything is fine. Click on this, click on this, click on this. SSMS means what? SQL Server Management Studio. So how to open SQL Server? I'm telling you. You have to learn SQL Server also, kada? So SSMS. Go to start and you say SSMS. So it will take time to open it. Now slowly it got opened. This is the window. Now it will ask you server name, right? So you have to mention what, Nana? Server name. What is a server name? Is equivalent to dot, and click on connect. So server name you have to enter dot. Dot means full stop. Okay. Server name dot and Windows authentication, and click on connect. You can connect it to SQL Server. Now this is how you are connecting. So to write a code, you need to click on this and type the code. So you want to type the code, you can type the code. You can also close like this. Okay, na? So this is the new query. This is where we are writing SQL code. Slowly you will understand. Now, if you see databases, you will be able to get like this, open this. You will be able to open lot of Amazon DW, lot of databases are available, but these are not there. Okay. So these are not there. What is 2018? Who's talking? So 2019 software. Somebody saying 2019. Suman, what is the question? version 2019 version. Okay, na 2019 version we are installing. This is 2019. Okay, now you have a lot of databases here, right? You don't get all these databases, but if you need these databases, now you have to do one more thing. You watch this video. You watch this video, you download, and as per this, after downloading, you need to unzip. So unzip, and so these files you can restore it. Clear? So that you will be able to get all these things in your computer. Clear? How to add them? So there is a separated video that you have to watch. This is a video. Clear? So these are the backup files I'm giving. So all the databases you can have it. If you fail in this, no problem. If you're not able to do also, no problem. Not very important step. But somebody may, sir, you have a lot many videos, a lot many databases, sir. I don't have, means you need to follow this. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, na? Now we are able to show you, we are able to open what SQL Server. And if you wanted to close, you can close like this. How to start? Go to start SSMS. Very simple. Anybody can do that. Sharena. So it will take some time to open it. So please wait. So then you will get this window. Put full stop here and single full stop. Click on connect. That's it. Sharena. Done. Now, how to install, or now the next one, how to test MSBA software, right? So again, go to start spelling is wrong. Start and type SSDT. What is SSDT? SQL Server Data Tools. Okay, na? So go SSDT. Okay. When you type SSDT, you will be able to get Visual Studio, this one, or you can also do one more thing. Go to start. You say dev environment. Okay. Dev environment. This is also fine. You can go to start dev env. So you will be able to get this. Okay. Na? So dev environment or SSDT. Anything you can type, you will be able to get Visual Studio .NET software. Just it is MSBI software. You will be able to get this kind of a window. Now what you do, you go to file, new project. Okay. After opening this, what we should do, Nana? We have to open this, then go to file, new project. That's it. Anybody can do this. It is not at all complex. Go. Now you have analysis. I told you multi-dimensional and tabular. So I told you need to install this. So then reporting SSRS we don't need, and we have integration means SSIS. Clear? So MSBI analysis, reporting and everything got installed, but we are going to use a tabular model. You must check only tabular model. So this is not going to work tomorrow. Okay. If you use this, this is not going to work. And if you use this, this is not going to work. So at the time of installation, only you should choose this so that this will work now. This is not going to work. Clear? The multi-dimensional will not work because we have chosen tabular. So analysis SSAS is going to be having two cubes, multi-dimensional tabular. Clear? So that we'll discuss later. This is how SQL Server and this one. Now, what is that I have to install? So the next one I have to install Power BI. So the software is called Power BI Desktop. Power BI software full name is called as Power BI Desktop. So I have already installed. Let me remove that first. I have to go to Control Panel. So how to remove the software? We have to go to Control Panel, click on Uninstall. So go to Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Let me double click and click on yes, and I am going to be removing it. So remove, because I have already installed. I wanted to remove this first. It will take only 5 minutes to install it. I'll show you how to install. Without SQL Server, you can also install Power BI first. So I'm removing this. I'm removing this software. So Srikanth, you will get the step. Don't worry. You follow the video, Srikanth. You will get all the cubes and everything. Don't worry about it. Okay? Yeah. You follow the installation. Srikanth, okay? Na? I'm removing this first in my computer. Now finish. Okay, I have removed it. Now, first I have to install means first I have to download. So how to download? Go to google.com and ask for download which software? Download Power BI desktop. Anybody can download. So let me go to google.com, open Google here. Okay, this is what is called google.com. Google, not Google. Go to google.com and download. So when I say download Power BI desktop, click on this. Okay. Now click on this. So now when you come down, you have three things. One is Power BI desktop. You need this. Power BI mobile, forget about it. On-premises data gateway, forget about it. And click on advanced download options. Sarina? So what you have to download, I told you clearly, you have to download Power BI desktop and download this one. Okay. Now you have to click on this. I will give you this link, guys. So Control C, and in the chart window I am giving, you can also go to this. Now click on advanced download options. Okay. So later, when you come down, you click on download. Okay. Now there are two things are showing. One is called 64. One is this one. This you don't need. This one you have to download it. Okay. Power BI desktop setup X64. Now, so I will be able to select this and click next. Okay, na? Now it is started downloading it. Okay, started downloading it. So it's very simple to download the Power BI software. Only 5 minutes. Power BI you can install first, and later tomorrow you can install SQL Server in your computer. Now Power BI is ready. Where is it? It is available in the show in the folder. Click on this triangle, show in the folder. It is there in the download folder. Okay, there is download. So in that it is available. So you double click on this and install it. Download is over. Now you double click on this and welcome to Microsoft x84 blah blah blah. Click next. So click yes. Now click next. I accept. Click next. Click next. Click install. That's it. It will take only 5 minutes to install the software. The software name is called as Power BI Desktop x84, 64-bit software we are going to install. Okay, na? Which link you need? SQL Server link or this link? So this will be a SQL Server link I am giving you in the chart window, and this will be a Power BI link also I am giving you, so that you will be able to download, or you can also go to Google and download it, not a problem. So this is getting installed now. Sarana? And one more thing, I'm going to be using some sample files for my report. So Power BI class source data files also I'm giving. So this link also you should be able to use and download these things. Okay. I will show you. I'll be able to copy and Control V and press enter. So these are the softwares which we are going to be downloading. You can download all. Okay. After downloading, you can unzip. Clear? So, or if you go to chrome.com, now it is finished. So Power BI got finished. Now click on finish. That's it. Now I'll show you how to download those files. Go to Chrome and Control V and press enter. So these are the files. How to download all of them? I told you always we will get one more window here. Source data, click on this. You will be able to get a download. Okay. Na? So this is the one. So download all the files. So these are used to create our reports and everything. So you have to download, unzip them and put them in the C drive or D drive so that I'm going to be using. If you need in the mail, you write a mail, everything I'm going to be showing. So Power BI is now opened. This is the first window. You have to close the window. Now tomorrow I'll tell you what is a Power BI. So how to open Power BI? It is very simple. You have to go to start and write Power BI. When I write Power BI desktop is showing, click on this. Now it will get opened like this. So today's recorded video will be given. From tomorrow. You don't get any videos if you don't make the payments. Okay. People who made the payment will get all the videos. People who are not making any payments, they don't get the videos from tomorrow. So today you will get this video. So this is how your Power BI software look like. It's very easy. Any 10th class guy also can understand this Power BI, but you have much more job opportunities. We'll continue from tomorrow. Any questions? Yeah, chalo. Okay. So I've given you all the softwares and I've given you source files also for reporting. And tomorrow we'll continue further. If you have any questions, you should be able to ask me now. Any questions, guys?
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah.
As you have mentioned, there are SSMS and NSBI. In my
Ah.
system, I have installed SSMS and Visual Studio 19. So, is those two software will work in order to?
Yeah, it will work, no problem.
But I was looking for, as you have mentioned, that go to the project in the new, and you will in the left hand side you will see the dimension and cube. But I didn't find that option in 2019 version. So due to that reason, I was asking.
Okay. It is there or it is not there?
It's not there, I guess. I am using
Oh.
my another laptop, and I'm looking right now only, but I'm not getting it. So.
Chalo, you need to install this one, I think. In 2019, I don't know how they installed, but follow this setup file so that you will not get any issues. Okay?
And the
Hmm.
right now you have shared those folders.
Ah.
Is that those folders for the data set that we are going to use for the reporting?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
This is the data sets I'm going to use. Okay? All
All of
these are
them,
data
like
sets.
for reporting, like visualizations and all those things.
Ah, that's what, everything.
And
And
I had some few doubts related to the SSMS because
hmm.
I have enrolled, like I have bought that SQL videos which you have asked to before going for this lecture, you have to know some of the concept related to the database. So, in terms of indexing, I have few questions. Can I go like come with? Can I ask you right now or tomorrow or
No,
day
no, no, no.
after?
You have to ask because it's only starting demos, right? Yeah. You continue with the SQL videos and ask me later. Okay, na? It is too early to identify. Do you know SQL already?
No, no. I just bought your videos, and currently I'm in the indexing part.
No, no, you're wrong. You're in the wrong track, I think. You need to start with SQL first.
No, no, no. I have started with SQL, right? Starting from the video, first video only. And I
How many videos?
completed
There are
in
30
the,
videos in SQL. Have you completed all of them?
no, no, not 30 video.
Then
Currently
then
I'm
you
in
don't jump here
indexing.
and there. You don't jump here and there. You have to go to SQL and complete 30 videos first. Okay?
So that's this is what I'm trying to say. I have continuously sequence manner. I have completed. I'm continuing 24 to 25th video, and the TSQL indexing part is starting, where you have explained why we are using indexing in order to
Okay,
find
okay,
out the
that's
data
fine
that
then.
we
So when
use.
did you take the videos?
Like 2 weeks back.
Okay, Charlie, then you can ask the question. That's fine.
Yeah. So in terms of
But
like,
before that, let the other people, give a chance so that let them complete. Then you can ask this question later. Okay, na? Yeah, yeah. Please wait. If they have any doubts on that, this session, so let them complete. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And
Right.
Bhaskar, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. After this course, will I be able to write PL 300 certification?
Which certification?
300, like Power BI
BA 100
certification.
type.
Yeah, Power BI certification, you need to, do this and you should be able to get some dump sums or prepare and you should be able to, write the certifications. But you need to take the help from dumps as well. Clear? You will get the sample questions and everything. Yes, you will be able to write it.
Will you be able to help us with the dumps and practice questions?
No, I don't have the dumps because you have to, buy it from the Amazon.com. Okay, it will be paid. Okay.
Oh,
But if you
Amazon.com
need,
sells? Okay.
pardon, yeah, yeah, it is not free. Nobody will be giving for free. And but I can give you the examination centers and other details if you wanted to have it. If you're in Hyderabad, I can book a slot for you. Okay.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you're in here, so I can help you with that exercise.
Can you also share the dumps where I can buy?
I don't have anything, but only check it on Amazon.com. Okay, na?
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, I think.
హలో
Yeah, tell me.
సార్ ఇది ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత డాట్ అని కనెక్ట్ అయితే కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్ కనెక్ట్ అని వస్తుంది.
So if it is not getting connected, you have to know your computer name. Okay, give that name. For example, my computer name I'll show you. Sometimes dot will not work. So you need to do multiple things. One is that click on go to your computer. This is my PC. Right click on this and show more options. Now go to properties. You will be able to identify your computer name. Your computer name, my computer name is Gather, and you need to copy and give it there. It is going to work. Okay. Whatever be the computer name, you have to copy completely and test it once. Okay. It is going to work.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello, sir.
So this is where I have to give Gather and click on connect. Try. Still, if it is not working, go to start services. Okay. If it is still not working, go to services. Now you will be able to get this window. Come down, click yes. S means SQL Server. So SQL Server has to be in the running mode. You double click on this. It is already running. If it is stopped, you need to click on start button. Okay, na? So okay. So sometime if this is not there, the software is not installed properly. You have to check these two things. Go to start services. Okay, na? Go to services. Now click on somewhere, press S, S for SQL Server. You will come down. Make sure SQL Server, MS SQL Server is running. Double click on this. Now it is started. Now there is no problem. If it is not yet started, click on the start button. Clear? Then you have to come and you will be able to connect. Chalo. Anything else?
సార్ నా దగ్గర ఆల్రెడీ 2012 వర్షన్ ఉంది సార్, అది డిలీట్
వద్దు
చేసి.
నాన్న తీయాలి, అర్జెంట్ తీసేయాలి అది. You have to remove that.
ఓకే సార్.
So link for SQL Server videos. Did you make the payment, Raghu? Raghu, have you made the payment? If you made the payment, you need to connect this number. So 991991946 you have to send the payment details so that you will get all SQL video access. Serena? Yeah. So I have a couple of questions after completing the course. Anything else?
Yeah, Bhaskar sir, I got SQL yesterday. I have sent software
Okay.
for installation.
Mm.
So first we must open that one and we must check the SQL, right?
Check SQL. First go to start SSMS. Okay. Na?
Okay.
The next one you need to check dev environment or SSDT. So
Okay.
like this or SSDT. So these two things. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Here. Sorry.
Okay.
Bye guys. Tomorrow we'll